Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Learning to prepare honey-smoked salmon at home unlocks a world of flavor. This delightful dish combines rich, smoky notes with a touch of sweet, sticky glaze, creating a truly irresistible experience. It's a sophisticated, yet surprisingly simple recipe that will impress your family and friends. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this amazing culinary creation, perfect for a special occasion or just a delicious weeknight treat. For truly spectacular honey-smoked salmon, begin with a beautiful fresh fillet. Aim for a piece around 2 to 3 pounds, ensuring it has its skin on for easier handling. Beyond the salmon, gather some pure honey, brown sugar, a good quality salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll start with a quick, simple dry brine using the brown sugar and salt, which deeply flavors the fish and prepares it perfectly for smoking. This initial step is key to tender, juicy results. Achieving that perfect smoky essence requires patience and a consistent temperature. Preheat your smoker to a steady 225 degrees Fahrenheit, using a mild wood like apple or alder for a gentle flavor. Place your brined salmon, skin side down, directly onto the grates. Allow it to smoke for about 2 to 3 hours, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. The slow heat gently cooks the fish, locking in moisture and absorbing all that wonderful woodsy aroma. The magic truly happens when we introduce the honey glaze. During the last hour of smoking, warm your pure honey slightly for easier application. Carefully brush a generous, even layer over the surface of the salmon. The heat from the smoker will gently caramelize the honey, forming a beautiful, glistening crust. Apply a second coat after about 30 minutes for an even richer, stickier finish. This crucial step balances the smoky notes perfectly, creating a truly unforgettable taste. Once your honey-smoked salmon is beautifully glazed and cooked through, remove it from the smoker. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Enjoy it warm, flaked into salads, or as a centerpiece with roasted vegetables. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This allows you to savor this wonderful dish for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.